बैंगलोर का नंबर 1 आफ्टरनून शो बॉलीवुड।
ऑलराइट, फैंटास्टिक वाली है ये दोपहर और बड़े प्यार से 4 भी बज चुके हैं। 3 बेहतरीन गानों को आपने एंजॉय कर लिया और बड़े प्यार से मैं आपको इतना बता दूं, मेरे साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट आज मौजूद हैं। डॉक्टर सुनील ईश्वर मेरी जाना, हेड ऑफ ओबीजी एट एस्टर आरवी हॉस्पिटल, जिनके साथ आज बहुत सारी बातें होने वाली हैं। बहुत सारे सवाल मेरे साथ यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और इन सारे सवालों का जवाब ये बड़े प्यार से हमें देंगे। तो चलिए फिर देर किस बात की, लेट मी फर्स्ट वेलकम यू डॉक्टर ऑन आई लव बॉलीवुड। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आई लव बॉलीवुड। आज आपके पास मैं लेकर आने वाली हूँ बहुत सारे सवाल। स्पेशली आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू, हैज दिस पैंडेमिक रिजल्टेड इन चेंजेस इन हेल्थ केयर ऑफ विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन? दिस वुड बी माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Hi everyone. COVID-19 is an ongoing pandemic that has affected all our lives in some way or the other. One of the significant ways in which it has affected women's health is that they cannot come for regular health checkups anymore. This comes in a way of early detection of diseases and cancer. The only way to circumvent this is through tele or video consultation. Patients should feel free to discuss even smallest health issues through this platform so that we can tell them what is necessary to do and when they have to visit us. The same holds good for pregnant women. It is important to be aware of certain warning signs so that you can talk to your doctor and make them aware of it. There should be no fear to visit a hospital when all the necessary precautions are taken by them and us. At Aster RV, we ensure complete safety to our patient.
All right. But you know what? A lot of people would also be thinking that is it safe for women to conceive during this pandemic?
This is very tricky question. We have been in this pandemic for almost a year now. During this period, millions of women have conceived, millions of babies have been born. But still there's not much of a clarity as to what impact this infection could have on the babies in the long term. Yes, if your doctors have suggested that you need to conceive, considering your medical history, your age and all other factors, you can still conceive. If you are a young couple who have recently married, you could probably postpone your pregnancy for next 6 months to a year, because we do see there will be some kind of a treatment which will be coming in due course of time.
ऐसे और बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जो मौजूद हैं, जो मैं आज डॉक्टर सुनील जी से पूछने वाली हूँ। आप सबके दूर में जाइए। स्टे ट्यून्ड टू आई लव बॉलीवुड फीवर 104 एफएम पर। मैं हूँ आपकी नॉन स्टॉप निकी।
बैंगलोर का नंबर 1 आफ्टरनून शो बॉलीवुड।
आई लव बॉलीवुड में फीवर 104 एफएम पर बहुत सारे सवाल जवाब तो चल ही रहे हैं, पर साथ ही साथ मेरे साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट आज मौजूद है मेरी जाना, डॉक्टर सुनील ईश्वर, जो हेड करते हैं ऑफ ओबीजी एट एस्टर आरवी हॉस्पिटल, जिनके साथ बहुत सारे सवाल जवाब का सिलसिला है वो कंटिन्यू हम करते हैं। डॉक्टर, आई रियली हैव टू आस्क यू, व्हाट आर द implications फॉर अ पेशेंट हु इज प्रेग्नेंट एंड टेस्ट पॉजिटिव फॉर कोविड?
COVID-19 virus is a new virus. Many pregnant women have got infected by this virus. There are few cases reported where the infection has been transmitted by mother to the baby. Most of the babies have recovered well, but long-term effect of this infection has to be seen. If the mother remains asymptomatic, that means no fever, no desaturation, generally the course of the pregnancy is very normal. But if the patient becomes symptomatic, that means she has got high grade of fever or her oxygen saturation is less, there is likelihood that the patient will have some complications of pregnancy, like they may get into the labor or preterm labor. But if it's very early pregnancy, there is even likelihood of having an abortion because of this infection.
डॉक्टर, ये सवाल भी है, we see that many patients in labor are being turned away from hospitals if they are not booked with that hospital. Does Aster RV accepts such patients?
It's very unfortunate that in few instances, pregnant mother in labor were referred from hospital to hospital, leading on to complications. At Aster RV, we are very well prepared for these kind of emergency situations. We do admit patient COVID positive or negative and we treat them well. If it is COVID positive patient, we have a separate ward, we have a separate labor room, we have a separate labor OT if surgery is required. And for those patients who are COVID negative, we have a separate ward, separate labor room and separate OT. For those patients where we do not know the status of COVID positive or negative, we do the regular screening and also do the regular testing and admit them in one more block till the result comes, so that we are able to take care of this mother without creating any complications. So COVID or no COVID, we treat our patients well.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब। तो ऐसे कुछ और सवाल हैं जो मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं, जिनका जवाब आज दे रहे हैं डॉक्टर सुनील मेरी जाना। आप सब कहीं दूर में जाइएगा। स्टे ट्यून्ड टू आई लिव बॉलीवुड। एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है, इफ यू रियली वांट टू डीएम मी दोस क्वेश्चन ऑन माय इंस्टा, दैट्स नॉन स्टॉप निकी, आप उन सवालों को ही भेज सकते हैं। स्टे ट्यून्ड।
Bangalore का #1 आफ्टरनून शो Bollywood।
इस फैंटास्टिक वाली दोपहर में आई लिव बॉलीवुड में बहुत सारी बातें हो रही है विद अ स्पेशल गेस्ट मेरी जाना, विद वन एंड ओनली डॉक्टर सुनील ईश्वर फ्रॉम एस्टर आरवी हॉस्पिटल, जिनके साथ बहुत सारे सवालों को तो मैं पूछ ही रही हूँ, बट जवाब भी हमें मिल रहे हैं बड़े प्यार से। Doctor, do you want to ask you, women who cannot come to hospitals for regular health checkup, what is the information that you would want to pass on to them to take care of their health?
In the current situation, people are scared to visit the hospital for their health issues. To a large extent, this is taken care with teleconsultation. Patient can discuss their issues face to face or video consultation and get proper advice. Some of the warning signs for which women should avail consultation in pregnancy are: in first trimester, if she is experiencing any lower abdominal pain, vaginal discharge, vaginal bleeding, excessive vomiting, and any kind of fever. And in second and third trimester, along with it, they should also watch for fetal movements and keep a good count of baby movements. If the movements are less than 15 in 12 hours period, they should contact their doctor. Also, watch for any abnormal swelling of the hands and legs, and also look if there is any breathlessness. In general, women should avail consultation if they are having very heavy menstrual bleeding, irregular bleeding, postmenopausal bleeding.
That's really well said. Thank you so much, doctor. And yes, my last question would be, what are the steps that your hospital has been taking to curb the spread of COVID-19?
Aster RV Hospital is a quaternary care multi-speciality hospital. We are always prepared to handle any kind of medical complications. To avoid spread of COVID-19, we are following all the guidelines laid by the government. At entrance, we do thermal screening and check the oxygen saturation. We take detailed history. We have a separate flu clinic to screen patients with fever. We have divided the hospitals into 3 zones. COVID positive patients are admitted in a separate floor, which is connected by separate lift and an entrance. We have a separate ICU also. We also have dedicated one separate OT for COVID positive patients. We also have one floor dedicated for COVID suspect or patient who are awaiting COVID results. And rest of the hospital is COVID free, so that patients do not catch any kind of COVID infection when they are in the hospital.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sunil. It was really nice having you on my show. I Live Bollywood. बहुत ऐसे ज़रूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो सारे मेरे सुनने वाले को आज मिले हैं, वो सिर्फ आपकी वजह है। तो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड। स्टे ट्यून्ड मेरी जाना, कहीं दूर मत जाइएगा। मैं हूँ आपकी नॉन स्टॉप निकी।